Hi, I'm Guy, and I want to talk about the last mod element in the sitemap XML file that you upload to like Google and to Bing and so forth. And I found that the last mod tag, it's a part of the sitemap file. Let me show you just a second. Now see right there, this is the Route 6 sitemap I just was working on. But there you can see the last mod tag, and it shows it was last updated on the 8th of January at 9 o'clock in the morning, etc., etc. So when those files get updated, you want to make sure that the last mod tag in your sitemap is concurrent with your latest efforts at updating the site content. I'm sure glad that Ileane Smith told me about this software, Screencast-O-Matic. It's now called ScreenPal because people kept getting the name wrong. I'm not sure why. Anyway, this episode about the XML sitemaps are important to understand this. If you're not the quarterback in the huddle that's calling the plays with your sitemap, find out who that person is. If it's your webmaster you're hiring out and so forth, and make sure that they're updating the sitemaps accordingly. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.